So imported archive has a big challenge on the way that you can migrate your SAP PI PO content to Integration Suite. Until recently had not really been at the level where we needed to take these kind of decisions, but on a recent project we found out that the customer had a lot of imported archives, and we need to figure out what is it and what are the challenges with it. So there's two main imported archives. There's the imported archives that is using some PI specific libraries. This could be the trading partner management, the cache, some of the standard PI APIs that are not in the integration suite. That, or cloud integration, that is obviously something that causes problems no matter how you're dealing with these migrations. The other challenge is you have these imported archives on message mappings can be used in two different places. One is in a function library where you will say this function library depends on this imported archive. And we did not have that to work, but in the recent release we added that the Figaf tool, when you're migrating this, will just add the imported archive to the iFlow, and together with a Groovy, the function library converts to Groovy, and that works. So that is covered. This is also in the SAP roadmap for Q2, if I recall correctly. The other one is a little more tricky. So this is if you have local UDFs that are using this function library. The challenge is that once you want to compile this, it looks and says, hey, I need this import, but somehow the compiler does not know about that, and that is causing some problems. We have some ideas on how to resolve this, but obviously you need to consider, do you really need these local UDFs, or what is going on with such scenarios? Anyway, the big thing that we added for this is in our assessment report that you can see here behind me. We have now added the imported archives that is being used either by function libraries or by operation mappings as Java, XSLT, or directly in the message mappings. This gives you a good understanding where you need to check and what is the important things for these scenarios. And at least you will know what are the main function libraries that you're using throughout your integration, thereby give you a better understanding of what is it that you need to investigate for these scenarios. I really hope that you think this is useful and want to try it out. In the next release, we do have some much more advanced functionality that would enable you to look much closer at these artifacts to actually find more problems with it. But that is a different story in a later video. I hope you liked this. If you did, please hit the like button. Please hit the share button, or write something about what you think of this challenge where you are at. Thank you.